Hi, my name is Jonathan McPhillips from Saunderstown, Rhode Island. I want to take a few minutes today to talk about my painting titled Open. It is a 20-inch by 16-inch original oil painting. It will be part of the 2021 Olmsted Plein Air Invitational in Atlanta, Georgia. This painting, like quite a few I have done in the past year or so, is inspired by my local surroundings. If there are some positive things that could be attributed to the events of 2020, for me one would be a newfound appreciation of the places close to home. As an artist who works regionally and nationally, I sometimes forget or overlook the beautiful subject matter that is right under my nose. Open is a painting of an iconic building in the historic village of Wickford, Rhode Island. With homes and history dating back to the 1600s, it could be said that it is quintessential New England. Having been to Georgia several times, I was impressed by the red brick structures and homes. This building reminds me of my time spent in Atlanta and the surrounding area. To my eye, Wickford also shares the visual charm of Decatur. A small anecdote of the painting is the open flag hanging at the corner entrance. It is a reflection of the hope and expectations for many small-town main streets across America. Also of note is the plaque on the building that indicates the high water mark for the devastating New England hurricane of 1938. A sobering and respectful reminder of the fragile connection with our environment. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in this painting or learning more about the Olmsted Plein Air Invitational, please visit their website. Thank you for watching.